it's Emily, and today I am doing a nail art tutorial video. I did one of these as the first video on my channel and now I'm doing it again. Honestly, it's been a while since I've done nail art. I've always loved nail art and doing my nails, but ever since I've been on the dance team at my high school, I haven't really been able to do my nails because every week we have a dance performance. And obviously you can't wear nail polish during a dance performance. So today it is winter break, so I don't have any performances during winter break because it's a break. So I decided this would be a fantastic time to finally do my nails again, and honestly it was pretty fun. But I guess you could say I'm out of practice since it has been so long since I've actually done any sort of nail art on my nails. I used to do nail art all the time, and if you go watch my first video linked in the corner, then you'll see some nail art that I did like 2 years ago, 1.5 years maybe. So anyway, today I decided to do a winter inspired nail art, so it's going to be like a Christmas tree snowflake little nail art design with an accent nail, of course, because you can't forget that. So here's all my nail polish behind me. That's why we're in my closet. This is my closet if you've seen my room tour in the corner. Yeah, so let's just get right on into the nail art tutorial. So basically I'm just going to be doing my nails and I'm going to voice over it all, and then I'll see y'all in the outro. Okay, so first I'm going to be using a base coat on all my nails, and I'm using the L'Oreal One Stop Base. I don't know exactly what it does, but I'm going to be using it. Next, I'm going to be using white. I do this on all of my nail art whether or not I'm going to be using white as my actual base color. And I do this so that the nail polish won't bleed through and stain your nails, and it actually works really well. And I'm using the OPI nail polish called Alpine Snow. Next, this one actually didn't end up showing as well as I would have liked, but I used the LA Colors Metallic Finish nail polish to go on top of the white. Next, I decided to go in with a dotting tool and a silver polish, and I added little silver dots onto all of my nails using the Maybelline Color Show silver polish. Next, I went in with a quick dry top coat. Now, I didn't have to do this, but I wanted it to dry quicker so that I could move on to the next step. And the quick dry top coat that I used is by Cutex Care. Next, I'm going in with 4 nail polishes. I have a bright blue by Julie Nail Color, a teal called Tenacious Teal, a green called Peas and Quiet from Pure Ice, and another teal by Margaret Dabbs. And for this, I'm going to be taking a striping brush and painting little Christmas trees in the 4 colors on all of my nails. Next, I'm going to be taking the Quick Dry Top Coat by Cutex Care again and going over all of the nails that I painted. Next, I'm going to be taking a Holo top coat by Deborah Lippman called Snowflake Kisses and painting all of my nails with that. Next, I'm going to be doing my accent nail, and for this I'm going to be using some nail stencils that I ordered from Amazon, and the teal nail color that I used earlier by Julie Nail Color. And the nail stencil that I decided to go with was a snowflake one. Next, I'm going to be painting my accent nail with the Holo top coat by Deborah Lippman, and then I'm going to be taking some gems and putting them on each of the snowflakes of that nail. Now the last thing, I'm going to be taking that Quick Dry Top Coat by Cutex Care again and going over all of my nails with that Quick Dry Top Coat. Okay, thanks for watching my little nail art tutorial video. That's how it ended up looking and turning out. It's obviously not on my nails anymore. I filmed this video like a week-ish ago and ended up taking them off. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching. So I'm going to be posting a lot of DIYs and tutorials in the next couple of weeks because I'm trying to niche down on my channel. So for now I'm going to try to stick with DIYs and tutorials, and I have a bunch planned. So give it a like if you like these types of videos and subscribe to see more like it because I am niching down. And my videos will be more correlated than they were before. And also leave a comment of what types of things you would like me to DIY. So I'll see you next Monday. Bye!